past the minor rec. Play a D minor scale as a warm-up before playing this piece. This piece also uses the technique block fingering. This means to position the fingers ready for the next 2 to 4 bar phrase and then play the phrase. Also, when doing double stopping, position the right arm so that it's touching both strings, and without applying extra pressure, draw the bow across the strings. You now have the opportunity to play along with the piano accompaniments. Jane McDermott is going to play the accompaniments, and you can play along with your violin or viola.
Sailing past the minor rec, viola. 1, 2.
Well done on completing that song. Now you're up to the next challenge. Keep practicing.